One of the most challenges in developing countries all over the world is unemployment. However, Rwanda does its best to overcome this challenge. Rwanda has a great mission to empower youths through employment. Rwanda has created multitude of jobs through workforce hands-on based activities known as agakiriro. Vocational education and training centers have been an important key component to support this program by providing the technical skills to the youth. By this, different categories of youths acquire different skills, including welding, carpentry, and so on, to apply them in those economic activities and earn money. This program has played an important role to improve not only youth's life, but to many people in general. As they work together in cooperatives, this helps them to manage and save money they earn and become entrepreneurs afterwards.